Hello guys, your friend Yasir from Remax. February home sale were down compared to the all-time record in 2021 but represented the second best result for the month of February in history. Greater Toronto area realtors reported 9,000 transactions somewhere in February 2022, representing a 16.8% decrease in the numbers of sale compared to February 2021. The supply of listing for low-rise home types, detached, semi-detached, and townhomes were also down year over year. However, because inventory remained unexpected, demand for ownership housing remained strong throughout the Greater Toronto. The average selling price for all home types combined was up by 27.7% to average price $1,334,000. Let's talk about some numbers. Total transactions reported by realtors February 2022, 9,000 somewhere, and if we compare to February 2021, total transaction reported 10,900. Let's talk about average price February 2022, 1,334,000 somewhere, and if we compare to February 2021, average price 1,044,000 somewhere. Wow, it's a big increase, somewhere $280,000. Please click on the link below for more information. If you have any questions regarding real estate or interest rate, call your friend Yasir at 647-896-6227. Take care and bye now.